Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Ukraine-based Skylum, known by photographers and photo enthusiasts for its Luminar software, has launched the Valid UA Foundation, a humanitarian effort to assist Ukrainians who have been victimized by the war. The focus is to provide much-needed medical equipment. The foundation is buying wheelchairs and will help with prosthetics when needed and more. Skylum, at the beginning of the war, had also created a drone project, receiving donated drones to assist the Ukrainian army. With the celebration of independence in the USA, it's worth taking the time to visit the website at skylum.com, Skylum, and help others battling for their independence. The site, once again, is skylum.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.